Hello, do you got some poetry for me tonight?
Yeah, what do you want to know? Tell me.
Anything, buddy. What's on your mind? You know, it's got to come from the soul. So, what are you
Smash. I
going
want
through?
smash poetry.
We want, yeah.
Feel it.
Like diss track, you
What
know?
the hell, John? Do you know how to do the live goal thing on here? Do you know how to do that yet?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do you know how to do the, you know how to do the enhanced part?
No.
Then I guess I'll do that today then.
But I know how to get double perks on Black Ops Zombies.
I forgot about that game.
Okay.
I've been too focused on that one game I told you about last time, Hero Wars.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a big fan of, the shooting game I'm not good at, but when the moving's being done for you, I like that kind of in a way.
Cool, man. Cool, yeah.
So, I've actually been I have 130. I am one of the 113.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So, that game is highly addicting. Bang!
Yeah, buddy.
Or hey look, starting a little style. Look, no sleep.
Wait, run that back. What? You have one sleep?
Yes, I know. I'm
Love
being funny.
it.
I'm starting something new.
Pull my
I'm starting something new.
so I can be like Andrew.
Hey, I'm starting something new. You can see. Believe me.
I'll rip that for you, Corey.
Oh, my own style. I'm starting.
Exactly, dude. No, you're starting a trend,
What are you
bro.
gonna call it?
Yeah.
What I'm doing is little bands, like made half shorts, half pants.
I love it. What's up,
I might try
Rose?
that summer look.
Yeah, it's gonna be the summer trend.
Look, see? This, and I might do like pants the same way. I might do pants the same way too. Make the private half short, half pants. Have you done? Yeah, okay. Are you okay? Hello, little one. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah, what's your name, little one?
My name's Katie.
Hi, Katie. Andrew. Or the friends call me by my initials, but I can't say it on here.
Yeah, you can't say it on here. I understand.
Yeah.
Yo, you can tell her later.
Okay.
You don't want to know, Katie. Trust me, you really don't want to know my name on here.
Andrew, I really want you to do another haiku for me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
This
What do you
will make
want
my
to do
night.
about? What do you want to do
Haiku,
about?
I don't know. Well,
You want to
Andrew,
do
since the last time I talked to you,
Andrew.
since the last time I talked to you, I broke a world record.
What was it?
I'm the loudest burper.
I believe it. I believe it.
I'll be in the Guinness World Record book. So can you do a haiku about that?
Yeah, of course. Let me go to my Microsoft real quick. The haiku, like what, 575?
Chat
I'm
GPT,
mistaken.
yeah, Chat GPT that shit up, bro.
All right, let me go to my Word real quick. Let me go to my Word program.
It's gonna take some.
All right, so you said you wanted an haiku.
Bust out the pipe for Andrew. Andrew, how's that gonna go? Just tell me when to stop, and she'll go. I'll start from up here, and you start from down there. Stop. Wow. Did you want the cold mango or the hot peach?
Okay, are you ready for the haiku?
Give me that haiku, Andrew. Give me that haiku, bro.
Okay. Let me think about this real quick. Let me think.
17 on the track. You got all the time in the world. 17:38.
Well, I'm mistaken. I had 575, right? 5 lines, 7 lines, 5 lines?
Shit. Andrew, you're the master poet. How am I supposed to remember this shit? You're
Give me one
supposed
second.
to
Let me look
remember
at
this
it
shit.
real quick.
You better
Give me
Google it.
one
Yeah,
second.
I think it's like 575. 575.
Yeah, okay, haiku time. Let's center this. You said about burping.
Yes. Andrew, stop it. I know, buddy. I don't get the hiccups all the time. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's a good one, Corey. We need a poem about the missing sleeve, Andrew. Your new summer trend.
And I'm also
Where
going to
did it
send
go?
new pants. So in
Where did
pants,
it
I'm
go?
going to do one of them is the size of
Where did
shorts,
it go?
and the other one is
And
going to be
my missing
pants.
sleeve is gone. Please, someone help me. I did it, bro. I fucking did it.
Are you ready? I got it. Are you
Elijah,
ready? I got it done.
I'm ready, Andrew. Oh my god, I can't wait.
This here is.
Everyone shut up.
Let
Everyone
me
shut
finish
up.
this
Shut up.
one. This last one. All right, ready. Okay. Nobody can beat me to be a louder burper. Truly, I believe it's true.
I love it.
There you go. Nobody can beat me to be a louder burper. Truly, I believe true. This is true.
Let's go, bro.
There you go. Okay.
Let's go. You're my buddy. You're my friend.
Yeah, look. See,
Oh yeah.
Forget the name. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Let's find out today.
And harmonize with you.
almost done.
I love you, buddy.
Woo!
Hey,
Oh.
oh my god, she's just like, I gotta go. She's bleeding. Have a good Memorial
Oh,
Day.
no.
Aw, and Will. He's amazing, isn't he? Ah!